everyone, so this is Arundhati and in today's video I'm going to talk about Samsung Tizen App and OS. Everything that you should know about this. So let's get started. Tizen is a Linux based operating system which is very popular that not only supports Samsung TV but a range of other devices as well, such as smart mobiles, PCs and tablets. Tizen was mainly developed and used by Samsung and was released in January 2012. The Samsung Tizen app and platform market has grown considerably over the past few years, making it the leading smart TV in the US itself. As stated in a recent report, more than half of the US smart TV owners use Samsung OS to watch online content, which is then followed by Roku and LG TV OS. Also, as per a few reports, it has been stated, in terms of worldwide shipments of smart TV annually, Samsung Tizen platform accounted for more than 20%. Wow, isn't that quite big? The ecosystem of Samsung Tizen is widespread, which includes broad categories of apps and channels such as Discovery, Apple TV, BBC Sports, Netflix, and so on. So undoubtedly, Samsung Tizen holds a great potential to take your streaming business to a great height. And you can easily create your own Samsung Tizen app or a channel very easily, only if you have a great platform provider. That's when Muvi comes to help you. So Muvi is an all-in-one OTT platform provider which offers a no-coding solution to launch your own branded Samsung Tizen app. Yes, you heard me right. Let's look at some of the cool features that Muvi offers. Fast native Samsung Tizen app creation, easy device restriction setup and management, simple live streaming and on-demand content delivery, in-app purchases and subscription, autoplay next content, easy watchlist and favorites implementation, global voice search, and kids mode. These are just a few of many features that Muvi actually offers. So if you are planning to launch your own streaming business OTT platform, or you want to scale up your business further, then launching a Tizen app or a channel could be a great way to do that. Are you still wondering? Then I would suggest take our 14-day free trial and you will know for yourself how easily you can actually create your own Samsung Tizen app. So what are you waiting for? Sign up for a free trial right away. Also, if you liked this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you have any questions, please feel free to drop in your questions in the comments and we'll be more than happy to help you.